Good day, my name is Ruth. I am here to give God glory through my testimony. I got to know Pastor Val through YouTube, and I attended few Zoom meetings, and then on the 22nd of October I also attended a service in Johannesburg. I've been suffering from dreaming of eating food while sleeping at night. It has been going for many years. I even thought that it was normal. Little did I know that it wasn't. It affected so much in my life, my marriage. So I attended the service on the 22nd of October in Johannesburg, and as Pastor Val prayed for me, I reacted badly, and a spiritual husband reacted. He was so aggressive, didn't want to leave me. He got so angry. He didn't want to leave me, but Pastor Val prayed until I got delivered. Since that day, I've never dreamt eating food in my sleep. Also, my husband, who was very quiet on me, who was very angry at me, he started communicating through WhatsApp about the kids. Also, he wasn't giving me grocery money since he left the house. After being prayed for last month, he gave grocery money, and he is now communicating on WhatsApp about kids. So I thank God. I give God glory. I thank God for Pastor Val, and I believe that I'm still gonna share more testimony to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and visit our website on www.christhealingcenter.co.za. God bless you.